Since we're all looking for somewhere warm, since it's getting cold, wet, and rainy around here, here are the top 10 best places to visit with a nice ocean view. This is not an all-inclusive list, but here's the top 10. Make sure and follow for more travel tips. Coming in at number 1, number 2, and again, this is not an all-inclusive. This is not in no particular order. It's just the top 10 places. Number 3. Here's number 4. To number 5. Here's number 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Make sure you guys follow for more travel tips.